it's not new. It has been from long back, more than 40, 50 years, 70 years. So, as said by the UNESCO, in its capital state, we are protesting against the illegal immigrants to detect and deport them to the illegal immigrants, as well as we will submitting our memorandum to the Minister of Tripura. It is being on in every state. It is also organized by the ASU in Assam, that is in Broad, MZP, they are in Mizoram. It is across the state. So we will be submitting our memorandum. We have a demand there to strictly implement the directives of the Minister of Home Affairs, also to coordinate with the other state. Since we all know that evictions are going on in Assam, so obviously those who are evicted, they will be trying to relocate it in other states. So the state government should cooperate with other states and take steps to prevent those illegal immigrants entering in our state. That is our demand to the Chief Minister. Thank you.
Nirakto khana yana nagotongo Sanjiman Sansirin to pani bhage for our future generation we are doing it. मैं यही बोलूंगा, मैं धमकी भी दूंगा खुला। प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी वो खुद बोला है जो इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स बाहर से आए हैं उसको बाहर फेंकेंगे। This is the right plan. Since 1968, DSF has been raising the voice for the illegal migrants. There are many police officials who cannot understand Bengali. I understand and talk for मैं आप लोगों को भी बोलूँगा त्रिपुरा में जो इंडिजिनस लोग हैं उन लोगों का संख्या माइनॉरिटी में हो गया। शायद आप लोग बाहर का होगा, राजस्थान, गुजरात का, आप लोग क्या सोचेंगे अपना देश पे बाहर का आदमी बैठ के राज करने से? This is the situation of the indigenous people of Tripura. But I believe Kirigan Anglia 15 August at this civilization, all sections of people Muka Musok Mubena no Kazake Lagoto Samabainya
DSF, 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 DSF,
Shillong, Guapo, Chinchorobo, UCC, Chinchorobo, UCC, Tiripurawa, Santir Bazar, Chulabano, Sapro, Kalipita, Soto Tamo, I Soto Tamo, Double Hunter, Canalia, Canalia, Double Hunter, Double Hunter, Double Hunter, Chinchorobo, Dimencio, MPP, Ramtagoro, Kumolongo, Kumolongo, Sotoristo, Sotosamud, 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 Bisrangonjo, Bisrangonjo, Kumolongo, Kumolongo, Guatiobo, Canalia, Canalia, Arasure, Arasure, BBMCO, Imengulas, Ipayobo, Palipanoso, Ipayobo, Ipayobo, Sotoristo, Sotoristo, Kumulongo.